Hi there, fellow market bandits. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new to the exciting world of Forex trading, you've probably come across terms like major, minor, and exotic currency pairs. In this video, we're going to unravel the mystery behind these currency pair categories. So, let's get started. Before we dive in, let's briefly review what a currency pair is. In Forex trading, currencies are traded in pairs, where one currency is exchanged for another. For example, in the EUR-USD pair, the Euro-EUR is exchanged for the US dollar, USD. What are major pairs? Major currency pairs, also known as majors, are the most traded and liquid pairs in the Forex market. They involve the world's strongest economies and include currencies like the US dollar, Euro, Japanese yen, British pound, Swiss franc, Canadian dollar, and Australian dollar. Next, we have minor currency pairs. Minor currency pairs, or cross-currency pairs, do not include the US dollar. These pairs involve two major currencies and are traded less frequently than the majors. Examples of minor pairs are the EUR, GBP, Euro, British pound, AUD, JPY, Australian dollar, Japanese yen, and GBP, JPY, British pound, Japanese yen. Last, exotic currency pairs. Exotic currency pairs are more unique and less liquid than majors and minors. They involve one major currency and one currency from an emerging or smaller economy. Exotics can provide trading opportunities but often come with higher spreads and potential risks. Some examples are the USD, SGD, US dollar, Singapore dollar, EUR, TRY, Euro, Turkish lira, and GBP, ZAR, British pound, South African rand. Choosing the right pair. When selecting currency pairs to trade, consider factors like volatility, liquidity, and your trading strategy. Major pairs offer stability and liquidity, making them suitable for beginners. Minors and exotics can provide diversification and potentially higher returns, but they may come with increased risk. There you have it. Major, minor, and exotic currency pairs are the building blocks of Forex trading. By understanding their characteristics, you can make informed decisions and tailor your trading strategy to your goals and risk tolerance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more insightful content. Feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comments section below. Happy trading, and until next time, may your currency pairs be profitable and your trades well executed. Take care.